Hello guys, welcome to Automation. In this video, we will install Dart SDK in Windows. So firstly, go to Google and just type Dart SDK. Now here you will see first link and that is about Dart SDK. Just click and open that website. In this website, you will get stable version of Dart SDK. Select the latest version according to your operating system like Linux or Windows. I will click on first link and that will download the latest version of Dart SDK. After downloading, just go to the download folder and select Dart zip file and click on extract and select folder where you want to extract the file. When extraction is complete, open the folder and copy the address of bin folder. Now here is important step. You have to click on search bar and search en and you will get environmental variable. Just select it and open. Now click on environment variable. Here you will get to see path and many other things. Just select the path and click on edit. Here you will see some empty blocks and on the right side buttons that indicates new and edit. If you want to add new address, then click on new button, or if you want to correct the address of previous location, then click on edit. But for now we will click on new button that will direct us to the address that inside the block. As we have copied the folder address, just paste it in here and save it. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe the channel. Moving to the last step. Here you have to open the command prompt and pass the command called dart -- version. So here you will get the output that is version of Dart. It means your Dart has been successfully installed. Hope this video find helpful. Please subscribe our channel for more new videos. Thank you.